Let's talk about how to create a social media marketing strategy. Make sure you stay until the very end, where I tell you exactly how often you should be posting in order to get the best results with your marketing campaign. Before I start the list, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell. That way you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Step number 1. Research your audience and buyer personas. The first step in developing a social media marketing plan is to figure out who your buyer personas and audience are so you can cater to their demands and interests. Think about the types of people you want to reach and connect with on social media, and then ask yourself why you want to reach this specific group of people. If your business sells colorful leggings, then your target audience would probably be millennials who wear a lot of athletic clothes. When you know and understand your audience and buyer personas, you are able to easily figure out what content to post and where to post it. This way, you can attract your target market to you. Take a look at your current customer base. Where do your current customers work? What are their hobbies? How old are they? Are they married? Do they have kids? The more you know about your customers, the better. Even though you may have a current customer base that you can do research on, you also want to think about who you want to sell to in the future. Maybe your competition has had a lot of success in a particular area of the industry and you want to break into that sector. It's important to check out your competition and see who their ideal customers are. You can learn a lot by doing research on your competitors' target market and learning where they've had the most success. The key to having a great marketing plan is to know what your ideal customers want. What are their goals? What are their challenges? Once you know what they want, you can begin creating wonderful content on a platform that will really resonate with your ideal customer. Step number 2. Figure out which social platforms are best for your business. It's incredibly important to know exactly which platforms you want to share your material on. As I mentioned earlier, it's all about knowing the wants and needs of your target audience and serving them on the social platform where they spend the majority of their time. And to top it off, not only do you want to be where your potential customers are, but you also want to be where your potential customers are going to be. You have to keep up with the latest trends and be ready to jump on any new social network that looks like it could be the next big thing. It's always better to be one of the first people on an up-and-coming platform. So, going off of our previous example, if your target customers are people who love wearing bright and colorful leggings, then you need to focus most of your marketing efforts toward Instagram. Why Instagram, you may ask? Well, millennials make up the largest group of users on the platform. The main point is you want to be wherever your target market is at. You don't want to waste your time putting out great content on a platform where none of your ideal consumers are. Here are some general guidelines to consider. Facebook. This platform is best for brand awareness and advertising. The main audience of this platform is Generation X and millennials. TikTok. This platform has users that are mostly Gen Z, followed by millennials. This social networking site is great for short-form creative videos. Instagram. This social media platform has a primary audience of millennials and is great for showcasing high-quality pictures. Twitter. The primary audience of this platform is millennials and is wonderful for public relations, community building, and customer service. LinkedIn. Here we have mostly baby boomers, Generation X, and millennials. This platform is best for business development, business-to-business relationships, and social selling. YouTube. YouTube is wonderful because even though it has a primary audience of millennials, it also has a wide selection of people of all ages and demographics. This platform is best for long-form entertainment and how-to videos, and it is also great for brand awareness. Snapchat. The audience on this platform is mostly made up of Generation Z and is best for advertising and brand awareness. Pinterest. Here we have mostly millennials and Gen Z, Gen X, and baby boomers. This is a great platform for inspiration and visual advertising. Step number 3. Make engaging and unique content. It's no secret that there are billions of social media users all over the world, so it's likely that your followers and people looking at your profile have also already seen your competition's content. As a result, it's critical for your brand to post engaging social media content that stands out and encourages people to click the follow button and engage with your business. The best way to create engaging content is to do market research. That way, you can figure out exactly what your audience likes. Engaging content is different across different target markets. So once you understand your audience's likes and dislikes, as well as what interests them, then you can be on your way to creating engaging posts that get you the results you're looking for. Consider the material your rivals are posting and how you can differentiate yourself using the tools available to you. Make effective use of the platform's capabilities as well. For example, you can use Facebook Live to broadcast the most recent information about a product launch or hold a contest. In addition to that, you can also use your current customer base to help you make content. You can encourage them to use a hashtag to share their pictures and experiences with your products, or you can repost their content. You also want to make sure that you're leveraging trends. Trends in social media are constantly changing. At the moment, short-form video platforms like TikTok are on the rise. Don't be scared to participate. You just have to be purposeful about how you do it. The best way to make use of a trend is to catch it early. So be on the lookout for the next new and up-and-coming thing. Before I tell you exactly how often to post on your social media sites, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click the bell. That way, you'll be the first to see my next money-making video. Also, type the word yes down in the comments below if you are going to start a social media marketing strategy to grow your business today. Step number 4, have a schedule for your content. Using a social media management software to make sure your material gets shared on time is easy and simple. These programs allow you to create captions, get your photos and videos ready, and schedule content in advance. These tools can share your posts automatically, and they can even keep track of post interactions and engagement for you. By using a social media management tool, you can save time and put your focus on other aspects of your business. There are lots of different scheduling tools, so do your research and find one that's best for you. So then the next question is, how frequently do you need to be posting on social media? You really only want to be posting when you have high-quality content to post. This implies that there is a purpose for your content being on the platform. Knowing what all goes into creating quality content for your profile can help you decide on a balance of quality and quantity. Most businesses make the mistake of pushing out a lot of content while at the same time letting the quality of the content fall behind. They think they absolutely must post every single day, so they create a lot of worthless content that isn't going to interest their audience or make a difference in their marketing campaign. Remember that the quality is more important than the quantity. You're better off posting really excellent content 2 to 3 times a week than posting bad content every day. For people wanting to follow a precise schedule, here are some guidelines you can use to help you figure out how often you should post. Facebook. Post twice per day, every day of the week, usually between 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. in your time zone. Maintaining a balance between keeping your audience interested and seeming spammy is the key to posting on Facebook. To begin, post at least 3 times each week, and as your page becomes more popular, you may increase this to once per day. Twitter. On weekdays, post 14 times every day, and on weekends, post 7 times per day. Twitter is where posts zip by quickly. Because your posts appear in chronological order, your followers won't be able to see everything you've posted unless they go directly to your page. This is beneficial because you'll be less likely to annoy your followers and you won't come off as spammy. It is suggested that you publish 3 times each day, up to 20 times each day. LinkedIn. Post once per day and don't worry about posting on the weekends. It's ideal to post 3 times each week only during business days. Some experts warn that if you post more than twice a day on this platform, that your engagement with followers can decrease. Instagram. Instagram is a fast-paced social media network. As a result, you have the ability to post frequently without appearing spammy. Begin with one posting each day, 3 to 4 days per week. When your account becomes more popular and you gain more traction, you can publish twice daily, 3 to 4 days per week. It's okay to post 4 to 6 times each day as your business gains traction. The platform, as well as its rules and algorithms, is also taken into consideration by social media experts. It's worth noting that each platform's algorithms and policies are subject to frequent change. It will be easier for you to stay up to date on these topics if you educate yourself about them. These standards are beneficial, but it's also important to remember that common sense must be used while posting. You don't want to spam your followers by overposting. If your posts appear spammy, especially to the platform's algorithms, you may notice that your material is less frequently featured on the feed. If you'd like to take a more in-depth look at marketing on a specific social media platform like Pinterest, click the video on the screen. Here I tell you everything you need to know about Pinterest marketing and how to use Pinterest to explode your business.